young children, young boys, teenagers. So it was very, very controversial, and that is Jude. So question is, Jude's full name is, right answer is D, Jude Fawley. Jude Fawley. Right answer is D, Jude Fawley. Question number 6 now. Who was the first recipient of Sahitya Academy Award for English? Very important question. Very, very important question. Who was the first recipient of Sahitya Academy Award for English? Kamala Das, R.K. Narayan, Sarojini, none of these. So right answer is R.K. Narayan. Right answer is R.K. Narayan. And now question number 7. Who has called Bacon the wisest, the brightest, and the meanest of mankind? Very important question. Who has called Bacon? Francis Bacon, a great essayist, Francis Bacon was a great essayist. Who has called Bacon the wisest, the brightest, and the meanest of mankind? First option is Dr. Johnson. Second option is Eliot, T.S. Eliot. Third option is Alexander Pope. And last option is none of these. And the right answer is Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope. Now question number 8. Who is the heroine of Shakespeare's The Tempest? Very important. Who is the heroine of Shakespeare's The Tempest? First option is Viola, Viola belongs Twelfth Night. Olivia and Viola, Twelfth Night. So this is not. This is not. This is not. Portia, Julius Caesar, Merchant of Venice. This is not. And now you have to decide between Miranda and Ophelia. These are very famous. Viola, everyone knows. Twelfth Night. Portia, Merchant of Venice. And you have to decide between Miranda and Ophelia. Think about that question. Right answer will be Miranda. C. Who is the heroine of Shakespeare's The Tempest? Miranda. And now question number 9. The heroine of the Rape of Lockheed. Rape of Lockheed. Who is the heroine of Rape of Lockheed? First option Ophelia, Viola, Belinda and Clarissa. Question number 9. Which is right answer? Ophelia, Viola, Belinda, Clarissa. And the right answer will be Belinda. Right answer will be Right answer will be Belinda. C. Belinda. Now question number 10. Shylock Agnew is a character in the play by Shakespeare. First option Tempest, second Macbeth, third The Merchant of Venice, and fourth Hamlet. And the right answer will be The Merchant of Venice. C. The right answer will be C. The Merchant of Venice. Shylock, very famous character. Shylock was very famous character. So the right answer will be The Merchant of Venice. And now question number 11. France is standing on the top of nature, seeming born again. France is standing on the top of nature, seeming born again. These lines are from the poem. These lines are from the poem. First option, the prelude. Second, Michal. And C, Tinternabie. And last, none of these. And the right answer will be the prelude. The prelude. A. The prelude. Right answer is the prelude. And now question number 12. Only one of the following is T.S. Eliot's prose work. Only one of the following is T.S. Eliot's prose work. Identify which is T.S. Eliot's prose work. Identify from these options. First option is A Gentle Lady. Second is A Cooking Egg. C. On Poetry and Poets. And last, none of these. Select. And the right answer is C. On Poetry and Poets. On Poetry and Poets. This is right answer. And now question number 13. I think I could turn and love with animals. Who is writer of these opening lines of the poem? I think I could turn and love with animals. Who is writer of these opening lines of the poem? Walt Whitman, Hemingway, Robert Frost, Wordsworth. And the right answer will be Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman. A. Question number 14. 14. Gabriel Oak is hero in the work. Gabriel Oak is hero in the work. Or you can say in which book, in which creation Gabriel Oak is hero. First option, Hardy's Far from the Madding Crowd. Second option, Dickens' Oliver Twist. Third option, Jane Austen's Emma. And last, none of these. Question number 14. And the right answer will be Gabriel. Hardy's Far from the Madding Crowd. A. Right answer is A. Right answer is A. Hardy's Far from the Madding Crowd. And now question number 15. Which of the following work of G.B. Shaw was prescribed because of its portrayal of sexual exploitation? Which of the following work of G.B. Shaw, George Bernard Shaw, was prescribed because of its portrayal of sexual exploitation? First option is Beethoven's Houses. Second is Mrs. Warren's Profession. Third is The Philanderer. And last is Buoyant Billions. So select please. So right answer will be Mrs. Warren's Profession. Mrs. Warren's Profession. B. Mrs. Warren's Profession. You know about George Bernard Shaw. I like him because George Bernard Shaw was a struggling man. His childhood passed through adversity. He struggled, came in the field of literature, and he declared that I will like to stand next to Shakespeare. It means after Shakespeare, if anyone will be remembered, that will be George Bernard Shaw. And from his creations, he proved that he was real antecedent of Shakespeare. Arms and the Man, Man and Superman, Doctor's Dilemma. These were his heroic works, leading works. So he was a great playwright, great playwright, George Bernard Shaw. So this question was related to George Bernard Shaw. He was a realistic person. And now question number 16. P.B. Shelley's Queen Mab is about? P.B. Shelley's Queen Mab is about religious persecution, domestic bondage, both an A and B, or none of these. And right answer will be C, both A and B, religious persecution and domestic bondage. So right answer will be C, both A and B. And now question number 17. Question number 17. What does Matthew Arnold's poem, The Scholar Gypsy, deal with? What does Matthew Arnold's poem, The Scholar Gypsy, deal with? Option A, about scholarship. Option B, about the gypsies. Gypsies, gypsy is a tribe, Gypsy, that is a tribe, scheduled tribe, what you call, scheduled tribe. About the gypsies, about the decay of youth and hope, none of these. So right answer will be about the decay of youth and hope. C, about the decay of youth and hope. And now question number 18. In the play As You Like It, Rosalind loves whom? Rosalind loves whom? Duke Orsino, Ferdinand, Romeo, Orlando. What will be right answer? And the right answer will be Orlando, D, Orlando. And now question number 19. 19. What is the real name of George Eliot? George Eliot. This is not T.S. Eliot. This is George Eliot. T.S. Eliot was Thomas Stern Eliot. And this is George Eliot. Mary Ann Evans, I. Evans, D. Mary, Annie. What is? Right answer A. Mary Ann Evans. Mary Ann Evans. And now last question. Question number 20. This is last question of today. The theme of Tennyson's The Princess is. The theme of Tennyson's The Princess is A. Peasants' Revolt, B. Industrial Revolution, C. Women's Education, or D. Love and Marriage. And the right answer will be D. Love and Marriage. Love and Marriage. So friends, we have done some work today and I can hope you will be satisfied. And what is your view? You can write your comment in this video. You can inform me if you want any, change or any suggestion. If you want to provide me, you can give your comment. So thank you friends. All the best.